How to fully delete the search history in Firefox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to delete all of your search histories on the Firefox, here is how you can do it. First of all, let's test it by having a search. Once this is done, tap on the three horizontal lines which is on the top right corner just below the cross sign. Once that is done, tap on the settings icon. Once you go to settings, you will see this page. Now on the left side panel, you will see the option of privacy and security. Tap on it. Once that is done, scroll down until you find the option of history. It is usually just below the browser privacy and website privacy preferences. Once you have found the history section, tap on clear history option. Once that is done, it will take you to another page. From here, make sure to select history, cookies and site data, temporary cache files and pages, and then tap on clear. Now, once you do it and go to a new tab and check your recent searches, all of it has been removed already. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.